Welcome to our tour, which begins with two table saws on the left-hand side here. As we go through the shop, we see lathes on both left and right. And the big machine on the right, that's our large bed laser, 3 by 4 feet and 100 watts. Susan here is working on a project at our large bed CNC, and there's our small bed CNC and our second laser. On the right were the 3D printer, sanding table, and miter chop saw. Here we have a variety of planers, router tables, and sanders, followed with, on the left, jointers. As we round the corner here, we see Jairo working on his sensory box at one of the workbenches, and Doug trying to choose from among our 3 bandsaws for the project he's working. There we have a mortise cutter on the right and a couple of drill presses on the left. As we exit, know that there are many tools in addition to the ones mentioned. This is our classroom. Lots of place for talking and working on projects. There's Sharon working with somebody, and the guy at the table there is Dallas, who's currently our shop supervisor. Exiting the classroom, we go into our reception area, which is just a small meeting place. In the center back there, you see Shop TV with all the latest news on the shop, and what is probably the best woodworking specific library in the West Coast. Here are toys made by our toy group and a status board showing any outages of machines or details people should know. Here, we thank the sponsors, people who helped get us to where we are. We got to the reception area through this entry hallway where we have a couple of display cases showing off members' work. The hallway is where you arrive after entering through our front door with a spectacular view. And that is a brief tour of the member shop. Learn more at sdfwa.org.